क्रिएट करेंगे एक पोस्टर, सिंपल बेसिक पोस्टर तैयार करेंगे। तो आइए इस पोस्टर को चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इस पोस्टर को एंड तक देखिए और अपनी तरफ से क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा।
First of all, we open our Photoshop. It will take some time to open. Then we take a page for our poster, for example 1080 by 1350, it's our page. Then I make a grid for my poster so that I can easily check where my text. I am designing a simple travel poster. I already have a strong image of a Rajasthan fort as the background, so I have image of fort, and first I place this image into Photoshop. And the idea is to create curiosity and emotion around traveling to Rajasthan. The poster should make the viewer feel the desire to visit. Then I make a shape. The shape should be square form. Then I make another small shape. Then I place my image in shape. After adjusting the image in center of the square, then I change the color of a small shape. Then I put some text to reveal what is the place and why the audience visit that place. Some little description about the place, location. About place, there are some small things I mention on my poster. After adjusting and finalizing all the text on the poster, the last step is to enhance the background depth. I place the fort image again behind the main shape and softly blend it into the background by changing the blending mode. It all done. I hope you like this design. Please create by yourself in another way so that you can create better than me. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Your feedback and support is most important. Thank you.